Okay, this is the same topic but another exercise. I want to do this exercise because it's interesting. The result is interesting. We have a logarithm base 5 of x minus 6 that is equal to logarithm 5 of x plus 2 plus 1. Just like in the previous exercise, first thing that I want to do is take to the left or to the right side the logarithms. You can take it to the left or to the right. In this case, I will move these to the left, but you can move this to the right. It's the same. So I will end up something like a logarithm base 5 x minus 6 minus the logarithm 5 of x plus 2 equal to 1. Then when I have both logarithms on the same side, I can apply the rules of logarithms. In this case, I will apply the quotient rule because I have a subtraction. I have a subtraction of two logarithms in the same base. So I can do logarithm base 5 of x minus 6 over x plus 2. Okay, that equals 1. Now here I want to get rid of that logarithm 5. So I take it to the exponential form. To do that, I only take the base, which is 5, the exponent, which is 1, and that has to be equal to the argument. The argument is everything here. X minus 6 over x plus 2. Alright, now I take the denominator to the left side. That's a 5 times x plus 2 equals x minus 6. Now I just do the distribution or the multiplication that is on the left side. That is 5 times x plus 10 equals x minus 6. Now I realize that I have x here and I have x here, so I want to take to one side everything that has an x in it and leave on the other side what does not have an x. So let's leave x on the left side. So I will have 5x minus x. And what does not have an x, let's put it on the right side. Okay, I will simplify. 5x minus x, that is 4x. And minus 6 minus 10 is minus 16. And I'm almost done. I only need to simplify this equation. I take the 4 to the right side, dividing. And this tells me that x should be minus 4. But let's be very careful. Caution. We have a negative answer. And by definition, we cannot have negative logarithms. But let's try to see why. Here. If my answer is minus 4, in my original equation, which was logarithm 5 of x minus 6 equals logarithm 5 of x plus 2 plus 1. Okay, this is my original equation that I have here. But and my answer should be minus 4. I want to prove if this is right, so I will evaluate my equation in minus 4, and it tells me that it is logarithm base 5 minus 4 minus 6 equals logarithm 5 minus 4 plus 2 plus 1. All I did here was evaluate this minus 4 into my original equation. This tells me that I should have the logarithm base 5 of minus 10 equal to logarithm base 5 minus 2 plus 1, but be very careful, very, very careful, because this and this does not exist. Does not exist. Because there are not negative logarithms. So you will never find a logarithm that makes this true. Because if you write that in the exponential form, that will be something like 5 to what number is going to give us minus 10. That simply does not happen. That is a math error. So if you want to find the logarithm of something that is negative, that will not happen. So the answer here is no solution. There's no solution to this equation in the real numbers. So when you're doing this exercise, be very careful. Before you write here a minus 4, verify that it is not giving you a negative logarithm. Because if that happens, well, you will choose no solution. We check. Yeah, that's correct. There's no solution to negative logarithms.